Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 12th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see the full top down analysis on the Euro dollar, make sure to check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro dollar the CPI news actually did cause the euro dollar to go down a little bit more. It was really not that big of a reaction, especially if you look at it on the 4-hour and daily time frame, which kind of makes sense because we do have interest rate next week for the dollar. To me, this still looks very, very corrective. I still think it is very, very likely to be correction. I still think it's most likely going to bounce off a fib level and go up. And the fact that it's stretching out a little bit is actually good too, because that tells me it's probably not a 3, 4, 5, that it's actually a subdivision of a bigger wave 3 trend. So going down to the 1-hour time frame, we do definitely have a bounce right here. We do have a little bit of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape. This possibly may be ending a correction right now, and just because we're heading into the Asian session, it doesn't have that much momentum. If this makes like a higher low, or if it keeps on going up and breaking structure, I am definitely looking for longs. All the higher time frames are telling me we're in an uptrend. Shorter time frames, I'm definitely looking for longs unless it goes down and breaks this 100%, which is the most recent structure level. So, for sure, still looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.